In what ratio must water be mixed with milk to gain 16.2/3% on selling the mixture at cost price? So first of all, let's assume that m liters of milk is bought at 100, and what milkman does is in this milk he adds water. Now we have a new mixture here of milk and water, and on selling the mixture at cost price, so this mixture is sold at cost price. So selling price of this mixture here will be, the cost price here is 100, so selling price will also be 100. Now selling this mixture at 100, profit of, he gains 16.2/3%. So profit of, so first of all, let's see what 16.2/3 here is. It will be 16 into 3, it will be 48, 48 plus 2 will be 50/3. So 16.2/8% is same as 50/3%. So by selling this mixture at 100, profit of 50/3% is made. Now profit is always calculated on the cost price. So let's say the cost price of the mixture here is X. Now this X is the entirety of 100%, and on this X 50/3% of profit is made. So what will be the selling price here? It will be 100% of this X plus the profit of 50/3% here. So this percent of X, for percent we write 1/100. So this percent of X is the selling price. So let's see what we get here. LCM will be 300 plus 50 will be 350 into 1/100 into X. This is the selling price, but we already know the selling price here is 100. So for this SP, I'll write 100. So here we have 0, 0 gone, 5 2s are 5 7s are 35. So from this we get the value of X, which will be, X is equals to 3 into 2, 6. 6 will go on the left hand side, so we get we multiply it with 100. So 100 into 6 will be 600 divided by this 7 over here. So we get the value of X, this X being the cost price of the mixture. So this 600/7 is the cost price of the mixture here, right? Now pay attention at the equation I make here. We have m liters of milk which is bought at 100, all right, plus in this W liters of water is added, and water costs nothing, so we multiply it with 0. This will give me the total cost price of the mixture, and this is equals to the cost price of the mixture, which is m liters of milk and W liters of water, so m plus W. The cost price of the mixture we have just calculated, it is 600/7, so we multiply it with 600/7. So now we have an equation here. Let's simplify this. So we get 100 m plus W into 0 will be 0. So what we'll do here is, let's take this 600/7 on the left hand side. So 7 will go on the left hand side and get multiplied here, and 600 will be divided here, is equals to m plus W. 0 0 gone, 0 0 gone. So we have 7m/6. Now this m will go on the left hand side and get subtracted, so we write minus m is equals to W. LCM here will be 6. So 7m minus this 6m will be simply m is equals to W. So m/W is equals to 6/1. Alright, we need the ratio of, in what ratio must water be mixed with milk? So we need the ratio of water is to milk. So the ratio here will be 1:6, and this is our required answer. Now this portion here can also be solved using the alligation trick. So let's check that out. Now according to the alligation trick, here we have milk, here we have water. Milk cost 100 and water cost nothing, so we write 0. Both are mixed together, and the cost price of the mixture we have just calculated becomes 600/7. Now let's take the difference here. Difference of 600/7 and 0 will be 600/7 itself, and the difference of 100 and 600/7 here will be LCM 7. 700 minus 600 will be 100. So the ratio that we get here is 600/7 is to 100/7. 7 7 gone, 0 0 gone, 0 0 gone. So we get the ratio as 6:1. This 6 parts being of milk and this 1 part is of water, but we need the ratio of W is to m. So we need the ratio of water is to milk. 1 part is of water, so we write 1, and 6 parts are of milk, so we write 6. So again we have got the same ratio, which is 1:6. This is our required answer. Option A here is the correct one.